Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a beautiful crochet coaster perfect for your coffee or teacup. It's a fun and simple project, great for beginners and experienced crocheters alike. Grab your hook and let's get started. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll guide you through each step, and by the end you'll have a lovely handmade coaster. Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Make 19 double crochets into the ring for a total of 20. Slip stitch into the top of the starting chain 3 to close the round. Great job! The magic ring may feel tricky at first, but it creates a neat center. Tip: keep your stitches even for a smoother circle. Round 2, chain 3, counts as a double crochet, then make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2, repeat 2 double crochets, chain 2, 9 more times. Slip stitch into the first chain 3 space to close the round. You're doing amazing. The coaster is starting to take shape. Tip: the chain 2 spaces will help define the coaster's pattern, so keep them consistent. Round 3, chain 3, counts as a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same space. Chain 2, repeat. 2 double crochets, chain 2. 2 double crochets, chain 2. 9 more times. Look at that beautiful pattern forming. Keep going. Tip: remember to keep your chain 2 spaces even so the next round stays uniform. Round 4. In each chain 2 space from the previous round, make 8 double crochets. Then single crochet into the small gap between clusters. Repeat this process around the coaster. Final round. Your coaster is almost complete. Tip: keep your stitches loose, and even so, the edges stay flat. And that's it. Your crochet coaster is ready to use or gift to a friend. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun crochet projects. See you next time. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing and soon you'll be making a whole set.